Alright guys, SMF family back for another video, and today we got a challenge, you know what I mean?
It's actually a game night, but since tonight I'll be doing the rest of the talking, since all he does is talk, and every other introduction we're playing a game called, I don't know what, but we'll call it Flip the Cup. Now, we're gonna do how many rounds?
We're gonna do 3, we're gonna do 4, let's do 4.
4 rounds.
Somebody gotta get drunk. When we land it, then if I land one, then I push it to her side. And if she land one, then she puts it to my side. And whoever decided to get you first over all the forks, that person got a shotgun, the drink. You know what I mean? So, I'm kinda ready for this. You ready?
I was born ready.
She was born ready, supposedly. But I'm the most competitive one out of both of us, so I just know I'm gonna get the dub.
Yes, the most obnoxious one, but
Alright.
the more winning one is me. So, let's just get it started.
You ready?
Please make sure he doesn't cheat, since that's what he likes to do a lot.
Hey, everybody say Team Sebastian in the comments right now, alright? Team Sebastian. We're going. You ready?
1, 2, 3. Wait, pause.
There's no pause. You have to go.
I just got confused.
And how you got that? How did you go get it? Oh my god. Oh my god. God, she got some juice flowing.
It's the acrylic.
I can't hit it.
Thank God I did my nails.
I cannot hit this thing right now.
Oh, I'm not gonna count that.
Back to back, back to back.
I'm not
Back to
a
back,
cheater.
back to back, back to back. Let's go.
I'm not a cheater.
Back to back. Come on, let's get it.
I'm getting nervous. Wait.
No, wait, you gotta get a cup. Go get a cup. Go get a cup. Hurry up. Hurry up. Look, bro. You cheating right now.
I'm not cheating. You can't go my cup is not on the thing.
Oh my god, I almost landed that one. Why touch it? Okay, that's it. Okay, it's not making it round. It's not cheating.
That did not cheat. Relax.
How long 4 rounds gonna take?
Maybe we'll do 3. Depends how long it takes. Oh my gosh.
One last one. Yes!
Okay.
Let's get
Go.
it going. We got poke a hole in this thing. You ready? 1, 2, 3, face. Aim straight, you're gonna drip it. Done? She's done. Woo! That was fast! That was fast!
Whatever.
I don't know if I can sound good at white claw that fast.
Round 2. Okay. Now it's round 2.
On your mark, get set, go. Almost made it.
Come on, are you serious?
You're gonna get drunk tonight, baby. Yes, sir.
Oh my god.
Yes, sir. One last one. I need one. Look, I'm cocky. I need one right now. I just need one last one. You ready, love?
Shut up.
You ready?
Shut
Give
up.
a kiss. Give a kiss. Thank you. Look. Damn. Done. I choked it.
I'm coming back.
You're not coming back.
Yes, I am. Yes, the fuck I am.
You're not coming back.
Yes, I am. That kiss was actually bad luck. If it's not in my favor.
Last stop.
For you.
Wait, I'm on that. Let's go. What are you talking about? We didn't even land it. Don't play.
I'm not a cheater.
Don't play.
Relax.
What you talking about? I just messing with you. What you talking about? I just messing with you.
Wait, I just landed.
Go ahead. Keep playing. Go ahead. I'll beat you again. I ain't even worried about it. Look.
Watch, now when I win, you'll use it against me.
I ain't gonna use nothing against you. I'm not worried about you not gonna win. Let me wait a little. I'm gonna let her get a little head. Go ahead.
No, don't use it against me.
Be in the middle. Let's go. I ain't using nothing against you. Go ahead. Oh, you get close. Oh, I'm scared.
We're getting scared. Come on.
One last one.
Relax.
You heard me? You heard me? You heard me? One last one.
Freaking
Turn that booty around.
Okay.
That was a good one. I know that's entertaining because I know damn well that was some entertaining content right there.
Whatever.
That was real competitive.
That's only 2 out of 4.
High five, baby.
That's only 2 out of 4. I'm gonna win the
Good job.
last 2 rounds.
All right,
So
shit.
can you do that again for me?
Let me initial crack with the fork. Oh, that's why.
We're on your wall, actually.
That's a damn. Throw the ass in the
Okay,
circle.
relax.
Throw the ass in the circle. Ready? Throw it up whenever you want. In the straight, in the straight. Cut. Oh, she did that. Woo! I didn't even get a drop.
Put my hair up.
Are you ready for competitive round number 3? Here we go. Corner number 1, we got contestant Maria Laura. In corner number 2, we got Sebastian Laura.
Okay, relax. Let's go. Ready?
You ready? You ready? Fight!
Pour your cup like mine.
Man, I ain't worried about it, man.
Alright, don't use it against me later.
I know you're gonna get
1, 2, 3.
Yeah, went the wrong way.
You mean I've been doing it the wrong way.
No, you had it.
Yes,
No, you
I
had
have.
it. I watched you. You had to stop.
Oh,
Next shit, he's gonna see stuff. Let me get a good stretch. Touch my toes.
keep
Touch my
playing.
toes. Oh, you got one
Keep
more?
playing. Don't count. Drink it. Go.
They hit it fast.
Go.
Why you go so fast? Okay, this thing probably gonna explode too. Why is it exploding so much?
Because it probably got shook in that box.
I'm gonna chug this first and then do this because a lot of it spilled.
I didn't make that ugly face, so that's how you know I'm a good shotgunner.
I left a line here too. I fucked it up.
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
Wait! Nice.
Damn, I thought she was gonna notice.
Cheater.
3, 2, 1, go. Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. All together? Come on! Come on. How we did that? How we did that? How we did that? How we did that? Double flip. Oh, I'm tripping. Double flip. Double flip. Why am I so cocky? Stop, 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 stop.
Yeah, I'm not gonna cut that one.
Oh my god. Oh, I commanded. I messed it up. Get it. Let's go. Let's go.
Whatever.
Let's go. Straight. Like that. Yep. No, you're recording on you. You got it. Certified. I'm gonna ask you one question. How did I ass whooping feel?
You did it. If I would have won any round, then okay. I still beat you one time.
Y'all comment down below who you think won. We obviously know.
It's
but I'm-
obvious. Don't listen. He asked you to comment like 3 million times, and no one's gonna do it because no one likes listening to him.
Like I said, comment down Team Sebastian so she can see the comments.
So-
That's the only way she gonna learn.
Whatever. Team Maria. I don't need public
If
support.
y'all fuck with her, if y'all mess with her,
Don't, because I don't
comment
fuck with
down,
anyone.
comment
So
down,
relax.
comment down
Relax,
Team
relax,
Maria so I can know who I gotta beat.
Relax.
Cause I'm gonna start beating nigga. You heard?
He doesn't do that. He's not the jealous type. Relax.
Alright. We will see murder case, serial killer.
Yeah, okay,
news,
whatever.
Unsolved.
Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I can barely finish speaking, so I'm not gonna embarrass myself And whatever. More videos next time, and subscribe, comment, like,
Go ahead, smash the camera.
share, repost on Instagram SM914. I don't know where there's a period somewhere, but
It'll be the link in the description for this.
yeah, too much talking.
Hit the camera. I'm gonna hold it so it don't fall. I'm gonna hit it with your hand. Oh, you broke it. We out.
Got the mojo deals, we been tripping like the 80s. Pulling out the coupe at the lot.